Welcome back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious carrot cake. Let's get started. You will need 265 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 large eggs, 265 grams of grated carrots, 335 grams of light muscovado sugar, 230 millilitres of sunflower oil, 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 100 grams of Greek yogurt. Let's get started. So first we need to mix the flour, sugar and cinnamon together. Squish any of the sugar lumps with your fingers. So once this is all mixed in, we need to whisk the vanilla extract, eggs, oil and yogurt together. But before we do that, don't forget to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we whisk the eggs. So now we put in the vanilla, yogurt, and oil, and whisk that again. Once this is all mixed together, mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And mix that up. So once you've mixed the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, this is what it should look like. So quite runny, but still thick. Now once it's like this, add the carrots and mix them in until it's all spread out evenly. Once all the carrots are mixed in, get 2 baking tins and line them with baking parchment. So now what we need to do is spread the carrot cake mixture equally between the 2 tins. So now bake them in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. While it's in the oven, we're going to make the icing. So for the icing, you will need 300 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of soft cheese and 100 grams of unsalted softened butter. So first we need to beat the icing sugar and the butter together. Once it's all together, like that, add half of the soft cheese. Mix that in. So once it's all together like this and nice and smooth, add the rest and mix that in as well. Now that the cakes are out the oven, leave them to cool for 5 minutes. Now we get it out, put 1/2 on the plate and spread half of the icing mix on there. Once it's all spread out, put the other half on top. And then spread the rest of the icing on the top. So once you've finished spreading, that's it. The carrot cake's finished. You can decorate it like with some orange eggs or something like that, so to show that it's a carrot. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye!